Numericals on transformer problem 2. Given numerical, a 2 kVA single phase transformer has a primary and secondary voltages of 230 and 115 volts respectively. Find the primary and secondary currents. Given data, they have given the kVA of the transformer equal to 2 kVA and the primary side voltage V1 equal to 230 volts and the secondary side voltage V2 equal to 115 volts. And now we have to find the primary and secondary currents, that are I1 and I2. Now we will look into some basics. The term volt ampere is nothing but voltage into current. If you want current, then current equal to volt ampere divided by voltage, and we will get current in terms of ampere. The term kVA is equal to kilo into voltage into current. If you want current, then current equal to kVA divided by voltage, and current will be in terms of kiloampere. And now we will find the primary current I1. Primary current I1 is nothing but kilovolt ampere divided by primary voltage V1. Therefore, I1 equal to kVA divided by V1. Substituting the values of kVA and V1 in the formula, then we will get I1 equal to 2 divided by 230, that equal to 0.00869 kiloampere. The current will be in terms of kiloampere because the rating of the transformer is given in kVA. Converting into amperes, our final answer will be the primary current of a transformer is 8.69 amperes. Similarly, for finding secondary current I2, we need to substitute the values of kVA and V2 in the formula I2 equal to kVA divided by V2. Therefore, I2 equal to 2 divided by 115, that equal to 0.01739 kiloamperes. Representing the secondary current I2 in terms of amperes, then we will get I2 equal to 17.39 amperes. So the final answers are the primary current of a transformer is 8.69 amperes and the secondary current of a transformer is 17.39 amperes.